Word that Apple is about to unveil its next version of the iPhone has fans buzzing about what it will look like. Joining me now is Asia tech editor Yun-Hee Kim. Okay, Yun-Hee, so this will be kind of like the 7th version I think we're seeing of the iPhone. Is it going to be much different?
Well, what we're hearing from our sources basically is that it's going to be the same size and will have roughly the same shape as the iPhone 5. But there's a lot of expectations that Apple might actually unveil a cheaper version of its iPhone. And we don't have a lot of details on that, but we'll have to see when they actually hold this event on September 10th.
Okay, and I mean, I guess we've speculated for some time that Apple wants a piece of the emerging markets more, right, to expand. Tim Cook went to China not too long ago. I mean, could this be all part of that plan? Correct.
So there's a lot of competition this year in the smartphone market. Basically, a lot of Android devices are coming out much cheaper than the iPhone. And competitors like Samsung and HTC have already launched high-end devices earlier this year, and they're doing fairly well. And so it's been a really long time since Apple has actually, unveiled a new iPhone. And so they need to quickly pick up their game and launch these devices if they want to hold on to their market share. In the US in the second quarter, Samsung actually overtook Apple in terms of smartphones. So this is a very critical moment right now for Apple.
Yeah, I was going to say, I mean, it's been quite a while, and it seems like the space is getting really crowded. But as you bring up Samsung, what are we going to see next? I mean, it seems like this kind of battle between the Apples and Samsungs continues to heat up with news that some of Samsung's products have been banned now in the US.
Right, so this was the major development over the weekend. The ITC ruled that some older versions of Samsung's phones could be banned in the US, and this is now up to the Obama administration to veto the ruling. A lot of lawyers are actually saying that this will be very difficult for it to happen, and so it's a major blow to Samsung, but Samsung's been actually very quick to launch new smartphones. Their strategy has been to launch as many devices as possible in all different sizes. And so a lot of analysts are now saying that this won't be a huge blow to them because they can quickly make changes to their existing model so that they can continue to ship in the US.
Okay, interesting space to watch. Thanks very much, Yun-Hee. For more on that story, you can go to WSJ.com. I'm Deborah.